Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Birthday cake and candles. Listen and repeat. It is her birthday. She is 6 years old. She looks at the birthday cake. It has white icing. There are 6 candles on top. Her mom and dad sing happy birthday. Her dad lights the candles. She makes a wish. She blows out the candles. She claps her hands. Her mom and dad clapped their hands. Listen and answer. Is it her birthday?
Yes, it is her birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
It is Mary's birthday.
Is she 6 years old?
Yes, she is 6 years old.
Who is 6 years old?
Mary is 6 years old.
How old is she?
She is 6 years old.
Does she look at the birthday cake?
Yes, she looks at the birthday cake.
Who looks at the birthday cake?
Mary looks at the birthday cake.
What does she look at?
She looks at the birthday cake.
Does it have white icing?
Yes, it has white icing.
What has white icing?
The birthday cake has white icing.
What does it have?
It has white icing.
Are there 6 candles on top?
Yes, there are 6 candles on top.
What are there on top?
There are 6 candles on top.
Do her mom and dad sing happy birthday?
Yes, her mom and dad sing happy birthday.
Who sings happy birthday?
Mary's mom and dad sing happy birthday.
What do her mom and dad sing?
Her mom and dad sing happy birthday.
Does her dad light the candles?
Yes, her dad lights the candles.
Who lights the candles?
Mary's dad lights the candles.
What does her dad light?
Her dad lights the candles.
Does she make a wish?
Yes, she makes a wish.
Who makes a wish?
Mary makes a wish.
What does she make?
She makes a wish.
Does she blow out the candles?
Yes, she blows out the candles.
Who blows out the candles?
Mary blows out the candles.
What does she blow out?
She blows out the candles.
Does she clap her hands?
Yes, she claps her hands.
Who claps her hands?
Mary claps her hands.
What does she clap?
She claps her hands.
Do her mom and dad clap their hands?
Yes, her mom and dad clapped their hands.
Who clapped their hands?
Mary's mom and dad clapped their hands.
What do her mom and dad clap?
Her mom and dad clapped their hands.
Point of view, yesterday. Listen and repeat. It was her birthday. She was 6 years old. She looked at the birthday cake. It had white icing. There were 6 candles on top. Her mom and dad sang happy birthday. Her dad lighted the candles. She made a wish. She blew out the candles. She clapped her hands. Her mom and dad clapped their hands. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. It will be her birthday. She will be 6 years old. She will look at the birthday cake. It will have white icing. There will be 6 candles on top. Her mom and dad will sing happy birthday. Her dad will light the candles. She will make a wish. She will blow out the candles. She will clap her hands. Her mom and dad will clap their hands. Vocabulary. Birthday. 6. Cake. White. Candle. Sing. Light. Wish. Blow. Clap. Hand. Question of the day. How old are you? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.